Hello, my dear student. This is R.K. Gangwar. You are watching physics classes. The theoretical portion of the chapter electrostatic potential and capacitance has been completed. So we are going to start the numerical portion of this chapter. So let us see. We start the exercise of this chapter, and the first question of this chapter is two charges 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb and minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb are located at 16 centimeter apart. At what point on the line joining the two charges is the electric potential zero? हमें बताना है कि इन दोनों चार्जेस के बिटवीन में कहां पर एक ऐसा पॉइंट होगा जहां पर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल शुड बी इक्वल टू जीरो. सो लेट अस सी हाउ कैन वी डिटरमाइन द डिस्टेंस. सो solution of this chapter, the given values are given charge q1 is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb and q2 is equal to minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. The distance between them r is equal to 16 centimeter. So suppose that first charge is at point A. This is q1 and this is q2. q1 is 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. q2 is minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. And the distance between them is 16 centimeter. Let the point is P where the electric potential is equal to 0. So if we consider this is the x and this value is 16 minus x. So we know that the potential at point due to the single charge is V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q upon r. That's why the V1 is at point P 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 upon x, and V2 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q2 upon 16 minus x. As per question, the total potential due to these two charges at point P equal to 0. That's why we can take V1 plus V2 is equal to 0. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 upon x plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q2 upon 16 minus x is equal to 0. Or q1 upon x is equal to minus q2 upon 16 minus x. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon is cancelled from each side. So on putting the value, q1 is 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 upon x is equal to minus and minus 3 10 to the power minus 8 upon 16 minus x. Minus से minus cancel, minus 10 to the power 8 से 10 to the power 8 cancel हो गया. Then this is 5 upon x is equal to 3 upon 16 minus x. On cross multiplying, 16 5 जा 80 minus 5x is equal to 3x. 80 is equal to 3x plus 5x. It means 8x is equal to 80 and x is equal to 10. So this is x is equal to 10 centimeter. So we can say that the point P line joining on the two charges, the potential should be equal to 0 at 10 centimeter distance from the charge Q1, means positive charge. Okay, and if this is 10, so this is 6. It means the distance of the point P, the distance of point P from charge Q1 is 10 centimeter and from charge Q2 is 16 minus 10, it means 6 centimeter. Okay, dear student, and in this question we can also take the P point line outside the joining line. Suppose this is the charge Q1, this is the charge Q2, the distance is 16 centimeter. We can also take the point P outside the line. Okay, so this is the point P. Okay, this is the 16 centimeter. If we take this is x, so we can also determine the potential B1. B1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 upon distance. Distance means 16 plus x. Okay, and B2 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q2 upon distance means x. So we can also determine the distance of the point P from the charge Q2 and Q1. Okay, thank you, student.